Think growing a pine bonsai is just water and vibes? Nah, buddy, treat your seedling like a houseplant, and the bonsai gods will smite you. We're diving into the messy, fragile first 2 years, where dreams either root strong or rot away. Bonus secret at the end. Stick around. Seedlings aren't trees. They're toddlers with roots and no survival instincts. You're babysitting chaos with leaves. Sunlight? Soft, bright, indirect. Roast them in harsh midday sun, and you're basically slow cooking your future bonsai. Want more bonsai next week? Hit subscribe. Overwatering kills more seedlings than winter squirrels and beginners combined. Aim for soil like moist cake, not marshland. Barely damp? Perfect. Squelchy? You're running a swamp now. You wouldn't build a castle on quicksand. Don't build a bonsai on cheap compost. Use well-draining soil, akadama, pumice, pine bark. Fancy mineral salad for roots. Regular potting soil clings like a vengeful ex. Good for petunias, bad for dreams. Here's the secret. Roots are everything. Not the needles, not the branches. The roots. Strong roots? Thick, powerful trunk. Weak roots? 20 years of staring at a sad stick. Your tree's not flexing for Instagram. It's grinding underground. The scissors will call to you. Ignore them. Every needle is a tiny solar panel. Let your seedling get messy. Messy now, mighty later. Roots circling the pot like tiny snakes? Time to pot up. Not into a bathtub. Not into a shot glass. A slightly bigger pot. Dream big, stay humble. Seedlings are stubborn little scrappers. Built to survive hurricanes, not neglect. Steady hands now mean wild beauty later. If you're still here, congrats. You've unlocked Tree Whisperer mode. +5 cool points at every garden party. See you next time.